What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be, well, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be playing Pixel Survival 2, which is different from the other game I have played on my channel. Today I'm going to be opening 20 master keys, which is the best key in the game. And, let's just see what I get. Hopefully it's good. I'll just get right into it. Okay, iron armor. Pretty terrible. Santa armor, not bad. King's mantle, not that good damage, but good knockback. Golden sword gas, garbage. Mana stone ring 2. See how much mana will bring up. Jeez, that's pretty good. 20 mana. Heartstone ring. See how much hearts this will bring me up. Okay, pretty good. Not bad. Blue laser gun, 17 damage. I think it's like the best of all the laser guns. A boar mask. Okay, it's basically like, I don't know. Okay, another blue laser gun. Okay, it's gonna be my 10th one. Skull dress. Let's go. I needed that. Long sword. Another garbage weapon. A second skull dress. Wow. It's crazy. Okay. 7 left. Wait. Okay, now 7 left. Okay. Rogue mask 2. Just wait. King's mace. It's the better version of the knight's mantle. That's good knockback, so I'll keep it. Pump hat. Not a bad hat. Okay, phase shield. Pretty good shield. Wood mask 2. Pretty good defense on it, honestly. I've been just like rushing through these really fast. I don't know why, but 3 left. Okay, bronze, copper helmet. Okay. 2 left. Dark helmet. Not bad. And a dark shield. Okay, well, that's it for this video. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll probably be uploading more on Pixel Survival 2, just because I enjoy this game. And, I got pretty good stuff from that, honestly. I really did. Pixel Survival 2, they hooked me up on this one. 2 skull dresses. And if you're not familiar with Pixel Survival 2, there's gems. Skull dresses are way down here. 110 gems. Of course, not the best armor. As you can see, there's the dragon dress, but there's armor that you actually have to grind for, which is way better than it. See? Hell armor, just way better. Emperor dress, way better. Snow dress, way better. So, that's it for today. And I know I haven't uploaded for like a couple months, but I'll start uploading again. Some more on Pixel Survival 2. So, yeah, that's it for the video. See you.